Okay, so I'm trying to fix this right now. So what I did was I screwed off the top, and I'm almost positive that there's a better way to do this than what I'm about to do, but this is my way. So what I do is I am going to be taking toothpicks, and I'm going to be shoving them in there, because what happened is the last time I used it, at the top a piece of glue dried, and I pushed it down when I was trying to get it to work, but every time I try to use it again, it just keeps pushing back to the top. So somehow I need to get it out. So I just keep putting toothpicks in the top until it comes out. Okay, see how it's starting to come out at the bottom? I don't know if you can see. See, that's the glue and all the toothpicks coming out. And now that I have my toothpick teepee, I can now just take this paper towel and scoop it all out. And you see that at the edge? That is what kept blocking me. So now it is clear.